All right, boys and girls, today we are going to be working in Unit 2, Lesson 7. Today you're going to work on blending words, blending sounds to make the words, and we're going to be working on something new with sounds. We're going to be working on beginning sounds. So, listening for beginning sounds. And we're also going to work on a new line. And we're getting so close to getting all of our lines and designs done so that we can start making letters. I know you guys are excited, aren't you? Yeah. Yay! Okay, so let's start with blending. Good, I can just touch it. Now, I have gotten some feedback from some people that when we are blending, it's hard to hear those sounds. It's hard to hear those sounds over the video. And I'm wondering if you guys that are in class are also having a hard time hearing my sounds. So this is what I'm going to do. And I'm only going to do it for our blending part, okay? And I'm going to make sure that I stay 6 feet away. So I've got this shield here. Do you see the shield? So I'm going to put this shield on, and I'm going to take my mask off to see if you guys, can you guys hear me better? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do it this way just for the blending part. And then once I'm done with the blending part, then I'll take my shield off and put my mask back on. Okay? All right. That is no good.
He just licked out the hole. Because you gotta fix it.
All right. Got it fixed. Are we ready?
Yeah.
All right. Let's get our arms ready. So let's get our left arm, stick it out. So when we blend, we're going to blend the first sound at the top, the middle sound in the middle, and the ending sound at the bottom of your wrist. Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Up, up, up. Now, could you guys here in the classroom hear me better?
Yeah.
Was that better sounds?
Yeah.
Okay. And I hope online that this helps as well, okay? But I've got to stand back here because I've got to be at least 6 feet, okay? Good. All right, let's do the next word. Everybody get your arms ready. Here we go. Eat. Eat. Good job. Next one. Shh. Eat. Sheep. Good job. Next one. Men. Good. Next one. Sing. Good. Next one. Night. Good job. Next one. Cat. Good. Next one and last one is top. Good job. I hope that you guys are really hearing those sounds. And then after we have those sounds, we glue them all together to make the word, right? Okay. All right, good job. Now, picture card blending. We did this yesterday. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend the sounds, and then I want you to figure out which picture it belongs with. Before we begin, let's review these pictures so you'll know the names. Everybody say it after me. Fish, five, knife, rose, nose, moon. Good job. Okay, you ready? Listen. Listen close. when we do it. Instead of you blending with me, I just want you to listen. And I want you to listen to those sounds to make sure that we are gluing them together, okay? I just want you to listen. All right, can you do that?
Yeah.
All right, next one. Listen for it. Listen. Don't do it with me, just listen. Shh. Fish. Good job. You guys are hearing it. Good. So that one that I blended was fish. Good. Okay, listen for the next one. Oh, we're just listening. Oh. Nose. Good job. Good job. Okay, listen. Knife. Yeah, knife. Good. You guys did good on that. Okay, let's review these pictures. Here we go. We've got shell, sun, mice, fan, teeth, wave. Okay, listen for the sounds. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, are you doing it with me or are you listening? Listening. Yeah, let's listen. Sun. Good job. Okay, listen for the next one. Wave. Good. Okay, next one. Shell. Good. And let's do one more. Mice. Good. All right. You guys are getting good at blending and hearing those sounds and gluing them together. Okay? Great job. Now, we're going to switch gears a little bit. We're going to talk about beginning sounds. Okay? And these are sounds that you hear at the very beginning. Okay? So, let's look at these pictures. We have a fish, 5 feet, mouse, fan, moth, teeth, and moon. Good. Now, I want you to listen to moon. Let's blend moon together. Moon. Now, what sound did we say at the beginning? Good job. You heard at the beginning. Fantastic. Let's look at fish. Let's blend fish together. Here we go. Now, I want you to tell me, what sound did you hear at the beginning? Good job. All right. Oh. I'll do foot. Are you ready? Foot. Good. Now, what sound did you hear at the beginning? Good. Now, we've got 5. All right, I've got 5. Let's blend 5. 5. What sound did you hear at the beginning? Good job. All right, so we worked a little bit with beginning sounds. Beginning sounds are sounds that we hear at the beginning. Good. All right, it's drawing time. So I am going to put my mask back on now. And I'm going to take my beautiful crown off.
Ow.
Now, I think that worked a little bit better. Could you hear me better, Miss McMillan?
I could.
Okay, so
Yes.
maybe that's what we will do only when we're doing that part. Okay, that way you guys can hear me a little bit better. Okay, so we're moving on to drawing time. We get to learn our new line. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna bring my camera up a little bit so that the people at home can see my paper a little bit better. Okay, so this week we worked on what is this? Spiral, right? We worked on the plus, we worked on the X. Good. Today, we are going to work on the loop. Can you say the loop? The loop. We're going to draw loops today. Okay? Loops. Now, this is the top. This is the left, right, and this is the middle. Good. Okay, I just wanted you to be aware of those. Don't forget, people at home, we're going to be using our broken crayon to draw our loops, and we need to make sure that we are using that tripod grip. Okay? Now, when we make our loops, you're going to draw a line that goes up, around, and down. So up, around, and down. That is a loop. Everybody, I would like for you to make one in the air. Here we go. Up, around, and down. Let's do that again. Up, around, and down. Good job. Good job. Okay. Let me do another one on the paper. Up, around, and down. Good job. And that is called a what? A loop. Good job. Okay. People at home. Your assignment is to turn. Now, people that are in class, please don't get your books out yet until I give you the directions, okay? Thank you. Okay, people at home, you are going to get your skills book out and you are going to turn to, no, not 6, 7.1. And on 7.1, you're going to work on making the loops from the bees to the beehive. And you have the front of it to do and the back. Then for your take-home page, you're practicing your lines, your cups, your humps, your zigzag, and your wavy. Then on the back, you've got the other lines, which are spiral, X, loop, plus, and circle. And this is for practice. After you get done with these 2 pages, then I would like for you to get out your orange name tracing board, and I would like for you to trace your name. Okay? If you feel like you are done tracing your name, then write your name for me 3 times on a piece of notebook paper. This lets me know how well you are writing your name. Okay? All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed our skills lesson today, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.
Miss Smith?